Okay, 7th graders, we're going to get you started on your final computer modeling project for the trimester. On the screen, what I have right now is the finished project for a puzzle cube. Now, this is an assembly, and as you can see in my assembly, each piece is a different color. So what I've done is I've made 5 different pieces of different configurations that will fit together to form a cube. And another thing I was able to do with my assembly is turn it into an animation. This is an IPN file, which off the top of my head, I don't know what IPN stands for. So you can tell I've used this activity a lot. Just kidding. If I go to animate though, I can click on play and check it out. I've created an animation that shows how my assembly goes together. So today I'm going to get you started on one of the pieces of the puzzle cube so that you can make this same project. It's going to have 5 separate pieces, as I've already mentioned. Well, let me go ahead and close that. The first piece that we're going to make is the red piece, and as you can see I have the red piece opened already so that you have somewhat of an idea. And I have 2 copies of it because when I went to make my first video I didn't have my microphone hooked up right. That's what I get for trying to make these at Edward Stone instead of Aldo, where I normally do things. So one thing I want to mention about these pieces is the overall dimension for each segment is 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. So if you think of this red piece as being 5 little cubes, because I'll do it as 5 different extrusions, each cube is going to be 0.75 by 0.75 extruded to 0.75. Let's get started. So I'm going to go New, Standard IPT, and Create. And I'm going to start out with just a basic cube. So I'm going to click on the pencil. I'm going to click on the front plane. I'm going to select rectangle. I'm going to click on the center, and I'm going to go 0.75, tab 0.75. Enter. Click on the front to zoom out. Green check mark to finish sketch. Extrude. Now, don't hit enter. We don't want to extrude to 1 inch. We want to extrude to 0.75. Enter. Now, I'm going to, since this starts out as a dog ear going up, actually let's make this our bottom corner piece. So let's extrude up and to the side. First, let's start with the top. I'm going to click on the pencil. I'm going to click on the surface of the top. I'm going to go to rectangle. I'm going to click in the upper left corner. I'm going to go corner to corner. Notice how it says 0.75 by 0.75? That's good. Click. Finish sketch. Little house. We're going to go to extrude. It defaults to 0.75, which is good. I can just click or hit enter. Now, I'm going to come out the side. So pencil, click on the right surface. Now this might get a little tricky, so pay close attention. I'm going to go to the bottom left corner. I'm going to go 0.75, tab 0.75 as I drag up to the right from the bottom left corner. I'm going to go finish sketch. I'm going to go extrude. I'm going to click on my new cube, 0.75, hit enter. I'm going to do that out the right side again. So pencil, click on the right side, rectangle, click on the corner, corner to corner, 0.75 by 0.75 is correct. Finish sketch, extrude. Out the side, check. Little house to zoom out. Now you look at our example. We got to come up on the right side. So pencil, click on the right side of the top. Rectangle. I'm going to go off of the top right corner. And I'm going to go down to the left, 0.75, tab, 0.75, enter. Little house, finish sketch, extrude. We're going to go up. Check it before you wreck it. Now, this piece is done. So we're going to color it red. There it is. All right, so we're going to save this as red puzzle cube piece. So big I, save as red puzzle cube piece. I'm going to click save. I already made that. Do I want to replace it? Yes. So that should close because I just saved it. It's already open. That's okay. So that's saved. Close out of that. Let's go ahead and close this out because I have so many things open. Let's look at another one while we still have time. Let's go to the IPN. All right. Which one looks easy to you? I'm going to say green. So let's do the green piece now. So we're going to go New, Standard IPT, Create, Pencil, Front View. Whoops, that's the right. I'm going to go back. Mistakes happen. Let's go back to New, Standard IPT, Create, Pencil. Make sure you pick the front. Not like me. Rectangle. Center. 0.75. Tab. 0.75. Enter. Little house. Finish sketch. Extrude. Now it's a new file. Make sure you change your value to 0.75. Remember, that's 3/4 of an inch. Okay, let's go pencil. Let's do a cube off the top. So rectangle, corner to corner. Let's go finish sketch. Let's go extrude. It's going up 0.75. Looks good. Now, look at our IPN. Let's try and finish this with a single extrusion. So let's go pencil. Let's go to the right side. Rectangle. Let's go corner to corner so that we get the whole surface. It should say 1.5 by 0.75. Finish sketch. Extrude. 0.75 is correct. Little house to zoom out. And this one's supposed to be green. So, what kind of green can we find? Olive green? Sure. Big red eye, save as, and we will call this green puzzle cube piece. Okay, we've now completed 2 of the pieces for our puzzle cube. We've done the green and we've done the red. And we can see those from our animation file that I've created. Next time, we'll look at creating the other puzzle cube pieces. Good luck with this project.